Okay, hey, what's up? I'm gonna be doing a review of Utg MK96 96 Sniper rifle Spring. So it comes with a bunch of Allen keys. Some of them you don't even use. One helps with a bunch of stuff with the adjustable cheek rest. I'm sure you've seen all this crap in other videos, but I'll just show you. 3, you can take out 2 of these in the buttstock. You can take out 2, make it smaller. Both sides a sling mount. Those 2 adjust the cheek rest. Your safety thing on your trigger doesn't do anything really, just makes it more annoying to fire. Safety. I got it off evike.com. Go there if you want this gun. Don't go to frickin' Shorter USA. We'll sell it $70 overpriced. The only problem with this one is it doesn't come with the bipod. Oh no. It saves you frickin' $70 without the frickin' bipod, which you can buy a scope and bipod off evike.com for $55, which I highly recommend doing. It does come with this thing though, which pops right out with just a push of a button, but I don't want to put the camera down. Okay, in here you got, well, a mag well. You can't see anything. There's where the BBs go in. The cool thing about this gun, you don't lose any BBs when you take out the clip, which it comes with 2 of. I'm gonna just rest the gun on this brick. And it comes with a speed loader and the pistol loader extender. The clip and the really nice scope you get off Evike is got, you can barely see, but that's yellow, and you look through it, looks really cool, like night vision sort of. And it's got a clear one over here, a crappy sling, and I am gonna show you the power by shooting yogurt, a Coke can, and a barked root beer can. It's got to focus a little, and I'll be shooting that target too. So we'll just shoot the target. Okay, so I'll take about 5 to 10 shots. Okay. Okay, shot number 1. Okay, a little high. Okay, so, I don't know, you count. I took 6 or 7 shots, but here, just run over here. Oh, damn, that's pretty good target grouping I had. I counted the steps, not very good, but I got like 7 or 8 feet. I had, wow, 1 went right through the duct tape there. I had 1 right there. It's 2. And then I had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I think I took about 7 shots, and I got a crate back here, so all the BBs went through. Okay, so now, my Coke cans fell. I don't know if you heard them, but I'll take fire at those. So, and yogurt. But I don't know if Dora the Explorer yogurt will explode or what it will do. Okay, so I'll shoot at the yogurt and then the cans. Okay. Ooh. Okay, so that was pretty cool. Got the yogurt to explode here for the most part. And it's fun where I hit it. Huh, where did I hit this thing? Oh, there, huge crack right in it. And it came out the other side. You can't really tell. There's the entrance or exit. There's the exit. Okay, so blew the crap out of those. And our cans. Yeah, I don't know if you saw that or not. Oh well. There, the Diet Coke can, it only went into, it never went out. And this one, it went in and out. That's pretty cool. Okay, so now we're just gonna say goodbye to Dora. Okay. Ooh. Okay, well, thanks for watching my review of the UTG. Not very in-depth, but I'll just tell you this is metal and the body's plastic for the most part. Nice scope. Be sure to buy it off of evike.com for $100. And by the way, I was using .28s to create this mess with Dora the Explorer yogurt, which is now destroyed. I don't know, yeah. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I'll hope to have